Hi, my name is Akanksha and welcome to my channel. So this is my new channel and I'll be trying my best to be consistent on this channel.
Wow.
So since this is an introductory video and my first video on this channel, I will be sharing that what this channel is all about. So let's start without wasting a second. So the first things first is routine. Routine is something that I have always wanted to follow, but let me tell you, till now I have not a proper routine that I follow. So, actually, on 1st May, there is a wedding of my best friend, so I have to attend that, and because of that, I think I will not be able to make a routine, and if I make one, I will not be able to follow it. So, I'm what I'm thinking is that after returning from the wedding, I'll be making a routine and I'll make videos regarding that. And I will be recording and uploading vlogs related to that wedding. So please stay tuned and subscribe my channel and do follow me on Instagram as well. This is my Instagram ID. So routine is must and first. Second thing is English and books. What I mean by English and books is I read books, and if I read books, I will be willing to share its summary on my channel so that if someone is watching and wanting to read that book, he can get some idea regarding that book, and if he finds it thrilling and exciting, he can buy that book, and if it does not find it that way, he cannot. Okay. And what I mean by English is that I will be giving or providing some tips related to English speaking skills. So if anybody wants to know, then he can follow my channel or subscribe my channel. So the third thing will be fitness and health. So nowadays I'm not moving my body even a little. So कुछ टाइम पहले आई थिंक 10 या 20 मिनट के लिए मैं कुछ वर्कआउट या योगा कर लेती थी, पर नाउ डेज आई एम सो लेजी दैट आई एम नॉट इवन मूविंग माई बॉडी सो दैट आई कैन बी फिट. तो जब हम रूटीन बनाएंगे तो फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट हमारा उसमें होगा फिटनेस, एंड mental well-being is also as much important as your physical well-being. So we will be focusing on physical health as well as our mental health. So this channel will be regarding fitness and health and all stuff. So third is fitness and health. Fourth will be makeup. Now makeup is completely not cup of my tea. क्या बोलते हैं उसे? I'm not my cup of tea. So makeup is not my cup of tea, but uh, change is always the integral part of our life. So मैं makeup सीखूंगी. I'm trying to learn makeup. I have also bought some products like concealer, mascara. So I'm trying to learn it. So I'll be also recording and uploading videos please don't mind, I'm stammering because this is my first video and I'm not very habitual of recording videos on camera. So please don't mind, and please bear with me. So makeup, our wedding is all about makeup and getting ready, so please do subscribe. ऐसे वीडियोस बहुत सारे आने वाले हैं इस चैनल पे. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लिस्ट, आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट ऐसे मैंने आपको ब्रॉडर वे में थोड़ा सा आइडिया दे दिया कि बहुत सारे वीडियोस इनसे रिलेटेड होंगे, बट अगर कुछ अलग होता है लाइक ट्रैवल एनीथिंग ट्रैवल या फिर कुछ एग्जाम से रिलेटेड, बिकॉज आई एम एन एस्पिरेंट, तो वो सब भी वीडियोस आएंगे इस पे. आई एम अ वेरी inconsistent person. I have never been consistent at anything. So let's see if consistency pays off. So fifth thing is I want to ensure you that if you are watching my video, um, you will be getting something new from this video. अगर वो 1% ही होगा, you will get something new. And if you are fond of learning new words and fond of vocabulary, then you will be getting those words. And please be attentive while watching video. If you get something new words from my video, note it and try to use it in your conversations. Actually, it is off the track, but I'm talking about this channel. So that is all for this video. Thank you so much. Do subscribe my channel. I really need your support. Thank you.